creating relevant SEO content that attracts customers to your B2B solution using the top of the funnel, middle of the funnel, and bottom of the funnel content system. Also, after this video, we'll give you a checklist that will help you implement this strategy.
So yeah, how did I get all this? I went to Cloud and I pasted the documents for the content pillars, and then it came out and I analyzed them, and it gave me this analysis of all the problems. Then I told it to give me a content idea for each of the content pillars. So the content ideas now will follow this strategy: twofold, movefull, and bofull, right? Each pillar will have their own content system, leading the customers to from awareness to decision, each solving a unique problem. So as you can see, our pillar one, top of funnel, awareness stage, educational content that address pain points without being product heavy. So these are those content ideas with some keywords, problem addresses. It also aligns the problem it addressed. That is number 10. Problem number 10 on the Google on the documents. Remember our documents where we pasted the problems and the solution that Asana offers. So it's now bringing all those problems, the problem that is solving, with the contents that it will best solve. So it makes it very easy for you to even know what to write, and when you are researching your contents, you will know where to focus on, because there are links to all the problems have their links, so you can read them and know, okay, how will I even position myself as a better solution to this ideal audience's problem. So yeah, and that is as you can see, it's aligning with the problem that it addresses. Like, each content addresses a problem, it guides you very well. And if you have an amazing team, you can just give them this and they can just remix it, and you can even tweak the titles to even best suit what is in vogue, right? And the solutions you're trying to promote, and then movefull as middle of funnel, consideration stage, solution focused content that position Asana's capability, right? So case studies, how company reduce product rework by 40% using Asana workflow. So now you're showing yourself as a solution provider, as a brand to be considered, right? So yeah, all the pillars have the same strategy. This one, Asana versus competitor, which so better supports agile this thing. Instead of saying Asana versus competitor, I'll just say how Asana supports your agile methodology, and then prove how Asana solves the agile methodology, even citing examples, putting customer reviews, and all those indicators will actually encourage any B2B buyer to patronize Asana. All right, so let's see, what is this project specific content driven? So these people here, they already know anyone that is coming to this content has made his decision to buy from you, and you just have to make it easier, go straight to the point, no beating around the bush, as if the content that's meant to beat around the bush a bit is your top of the funnel content, because that is where you're educating, you're making people problem aware, people that don't know about the problem, that why are they disorganized in their projects, right? But this one is people that already know the problem, and they know that, okay, it's problem management they need, and who are they going to choose? Okay, they are saying, So these are for all the pillars. They all have own um their own content system. So yeah, that is the end of our section today. That's the end. That is the end. That is the end. That is the end. So after all this, if you have any question for me based on this, I'm glad to answer. Just ask me in the comment section. I'm the way I'm looking at this time. I just pitch it to Asana self and see if they will actually hire me hire me for this. Also, if you also want me to do something like this, like any maybe create a content strategy plan for you or something, you can actually hit me up because I really had a lot of fun doing this because I was learning a lot also. I was like learning and executing at the same time, like it was just in the process. And the more I was executing, the more ideas came up. So yeah, it was really fun doing this, and I wish to see you guys very soon on another add value, unrivaled value content that I wish to provide in the future. So yeah, see you guys later, and peace.
Thank you for staying with us this far. Kindly check the comments section for all the lessons. Also, comment checklist to get a checklist that will help you implement these content strategies.